Welcome to Lanyula Cultural Village. We're here to the western side of Zimbabwe, in Hwange Rural District. We are very close to Victoria Falls, Hwange National Park, Chobe National Park in Botswana. We are very close to Zambia. We are also very close to Namibia. If you want to visit to 4 countries, right, in 24 hours, this is the village to come and stay and get to see the adventures. All the best places in the world for nature lovers are within our reach. So this is the village to come to, Lanyula Cultural Village. You don't get lost. Look for us, and then the best African experience starts here, right? This is the home of culture. We look at the whole Southern Africa in a holistic way. This is a one-stop village that allows you to explore different cultures and how people lived in the past, and we mix that with the present. So it's the past and the present mixed up together, but we get inspiration from our culture and our background and our history, and to bring Lanyula Cultural Village. So when you think about Victoria Falls, it's not only about the falls, it's also about the people, and it's about the culture, the traditions, the diversity. Our differences in Zimbabwe makes Zimbabwe stronger. So this is the only place that can showcase that the different groups that we find in Zimbabwe come together to put a piece of this village all together. It's built by different groups that speak different languages, that come from different backgrounds, cementing and coming together. What is making the world move together, to move this world at this present time, is people coming together, and you can see that exemplified here. So we are urging all nature lovers to come and visit Lanyula Cultural Village, and also get a chance to see Hwange National Park, Victoria Falls, Chobe National Park in Botswana, the Devil's Pool in Zambia. Come and stay here, and everything is possible. So Christmas, the heroes that is coming, and all those planning weddings, this is the place to be. So we are urging everybody to come. We have a lot of space for everybody. So don't say, can we all fit in? You can all fit in here. Don't worry. So the home of culture, Lanyula Cultural Village. My name is Taku. Goodbye.